Hello everyone, I hope you're all surviving lockdown reasonably well. Today's video is my new car reveal. So sadly the Exocet has gone, mainly because I was spending more time under it than I was driving it, to be honest. Plus I missed some of the creature comforts, and a lot of the trips that we're doing involve driving for several hours on motorways, which was not a lot of fun in the Exocet. Track work was amazing, and I'd definitely consider getting another one in the future, but for now it didn't really suit what I was after. So the Exocet went, sold about a month or two ago, and then I've been on the lookout for a replacement. More astute of you have probably realized what car I'm sitting in already. I hadn't actually driven an S2000 prior to going down. I think I was about 20 seconds into the test drive when I knew I was going to buy the car. It's not going to come as a surprise. It's the engine, isn't it? The engine, the handling, all superb. Epic car. In love with it already. Really hoping this adventure with the car is going to be fun. I'm sure it will be.